Ostanger Speed Test 2026. The quick things to know is that it's really fast in the US and in Europe. This video will be about 7 to 9 minutes. We'll analyze a few things and show you a little data and talk a little bit about Ostanger Speed Test in 2026, as well as the LiteSpeed and Global Performance Web via the TTBF. So, all right, webmaster and business owner in 2026, website hosting is no longer something that's a nice to have, but it's absolutely crucial for SEO, user experience, and your bottom line. Today, we're going to put Ostanger to the ultimate test. So everyone rave about Ostanger performance and price. As you can see here, the price is very, very nice right there, very cheap and very affordable for most people. So we're going to talk a little bit about its performance in the US and across Europe. We're gonna dive deep in the core web vitals, the TTFB, and more. Is Ostanger still the speed king in 2026? Let's find out. We hit it with the conclusion on if it is speedy. Let's look at a few things here 2026 because it's very important to know those key factor. The first one is the server technology. Oskander uses a LiteSpeed web server. These are significantly faster than traditional Apache server. So the second thing to know is the storage. They are all about NVMe SSD. So those are basically a massive upgrade from older SATA SSD for data retrieval. So the global data centers or the CDN, Ostanger has data centers worldwide, plus a built-in LiteSpeed cache, which they call LS cache, CDN. So this means that your content is served from the server closest to your visitor. So meaning that if your visitor are in US, it's stored close to the US so they're able to see it. So if your users are in Europe, the content will be saved closer to where they are so they can use it without any latency. So AI optimization in 2026, Ostanger horizontal AI actively suggests performance improvement for your site with each panel, even compressing images automatically. You can see shared a little bit about it in the other video. Feel free to go watch those video. I'm gonna put all of this in the playlist so you're able to really go in the video where I show it step by step. So we set up a clean WordPress installation and hosting business plan. It's running on a popular hosting site, which is Ranger. So we're using the lightweight theme like Astra to generate really the site. So I've captured that case study in a previous video. Go ahead and watch it. So the most important things to know about the speed, even once you Google it, you would see that the first thing is that in the United States, it's important to notice that in the US, the speed is very high with all standard. It's not even a game. So it fully loads very quickly in 1.1 second. That's the fastest refresh you can get on the site. So one of the largest content pen loaded at 0.8 second, which was very amazing. Within Google Core Web, it's a very good threshold. So the time to first byte, which called TTFB, was 150 milliseconds. This is how fast the server starts sending data, and Oskander consistently excel here. So to confirm for US audience here, it's very important to know that it's very fast. Even once you go ahead on Google, you do a quick research, it will definitely tell you that the performance in Europe is very good, especially once you're in the US and Europe. It's rated number 8 globally, or Scandra, as you can see right there. Very good things right there. So what does this number really means for your website? It means fast load time, improve SEO ranking, reduce bounce rate, and ultimately lead to more conversation and more interaction with your site. But remember, a host can only do so much. Your website design also matter. Here are a quick tip to keep your hosting site blazing. The first important things here is to really ensure that the image on your site is optimized very well so that you can use the lightweight theme like the one we tested in the previous video. So leverage those caching, the LS cache plugin to really optimize. So minimize plugin, only use the plugin that you really need. So to close this video, I just want to let us know that the verdict is in 2026. Yes, Ostergander is still incredibly fast. Our tests confirm excellent performance for both US and European audience, consistently hitting those crucial core web vital target. So if you're using it for hosting, that's a prioritize task for your business, or you want to use different modern technology without breaking the bank, I would definitely recommend Oskander as a top contender. So check out the link below in the description for the best deal on Ostanger in 2026. So if you found this speed test helpful, click the bottom below and subscribe to this channel. So for those of you who are very interested in learning more about Udemy and courses on topic like tech, marketing, finance, so I have courses on Udemy. You can go ahead there and scroll the page and see what course you want to learn. For those of you seeking to get a certification in AI, I have AI certification for AWS. Feel free to go ahead and take the practice test if you're someone who are already learning to pass a test. I have countless of course on Udemy, and I have over 97,000 students, and it's growing. Feel free to go ahead there, and you can find courses under my name, and there are plenty of it there. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.